Cool. You want to break it? Okay, come on over.
Not gonna make it.
Okay, put your shields up. I bet you she'll break it. She's tough. Let me see your muscles. Whoa! Give me 5! Okay, Anna, ready? Say hiya.
Not really.
No, right here. Step right here. One more time. Say hiya. One more. Yay! You did it! You guys, she is so strong, she broke it in 3 big pieces. Let me see your muscles again. Whoa! High five! There you go. Oh, wait, one more. All the girls went, right? Hello!
Yes, sir.
Come on down.
Two, sir.
No, we don't have enough. We just have enough for everybody. Okay? So,
Can
just...
you an elbow straight?
Okay, Mr. Muscles. Kyle's gonna break it with his elbow, only because he's done it before, okay? So ready, Kyle? Put your elbow up. Let me see elbow strike on my hand.
Hey!
Okay, no, let's do it this way. Hit it across.
Hey!
No. I want you to hit it like that. Hit my hand.
Hey!
Ow, again.
Hey!
Ow, one more time.
Hey!
Ow! Okay. Ready? Go for it!
Hey!
Ay, ay, ay!